Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can add the effects in your VN editor app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the VN app. So I'm going to click on this and we have to open it. Now if you want to open the recent projects, and after that, as you can see, we have to click on this new project here and we have to click on the new project again. And now we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. We have to go to the video section. I'm going to the video section, and for example I'm going to choose this video here. So we have to click on this option here. As you can see, now simply we are here. Now you have to go to the effects and effects option. Now we have to choose that which type of effects you want to add. As the S-Pen, as you can see, the drop effect is also provided here. You can choose any of them. These all effects are provided here, that you have to choose that which one you want to add. And after adding these effects, simply you have to click on this right here and the effect will be added. So in this way you can add the effects on your video in the VN app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.